Back to my channel Read the Chemist. Today on our Show Fact Friday we'll be discussing about Comet Neowise. So let's get right into it. So what is this Comet Neowise? Comet Neowise has an official name of C 2020 F3. Now let's try and make sense out of it. C stands for comet. So this is what the Neowise is. It is a comet. 2020 is basically the year in which it was first discovered, which is the current year, which is 2020. F3 stands for it is the third comet of the year. Now there is a very simple reason behind why this comet is so popular amongst people today. It is because it is visible from the earth, and that too with the naked eye. So right here you can see in the image on the right the comet, which is this nucleus with a very bright tail. This is visible from the earth using our naked eyes only. The other two comets which were in this year only, they were not visible with the naked eye, and that's why they were not so popular. Now let's move on to some other properties of the orbit of this comet. Now as we know, comets are orbiting around in a orbit. So for example, with this blue let's draw our earth. The comet Neowise is basically having an orbit like this. So this orbit is a near parabolic orbit, which basically means that it has an elliptical shape, or you can say an oval shape. Okay, and also it is a long period orbit, which means that it takes a very long time to start from this point, move and come back to this point. That's around 676 years. I may be not I am not maybe correct or accurate with the information, but you can take 6500 years plus. It has an orbit of 6500 years plus. So this 2020 is like the year in which you can see the comet. After that you need to wait for 6500 years more. Okay, so now let's talk about its discovery. It was discovered in March 27, 2020 from a mission named Neowise. It was discovered from named a satellite whose mission was named Neowise. Okay, so I have already told that it's visible from the earth using our naked eyes. So where can you find it? You can basically find it in the northwestern part of the sky. Northwestern part of the sky is basically, if you take the coordinates north, east, west, south. Let me give you a quick trick. You can learn it as NEWS, news, like this, in this kind of diagonal shape. So you will find it somewhere here. Okay, so this is generally visible at this time, which is around 23 to 24. It is 23 to 24 July. It is visible at the night sky just after around 90 minutes from the sunset. And also when it was newly discovered, like 2 weeks or 1 week ago, it was visible in the dawn time. Okay, now it is visible at the dusk time. So this was basically where you can find the uh, comet. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe and do comment. See you next time.